Drinking turmeric at night? It might sound simple, but this golden drink can do more for your body than you think. From reducing inflammation to improving sleep quality, warm turmeric water before bed is one of the best nighttime habits you can adopt. Stick around. In this video, we'll explore why this ancient remedy is gaining popularity and what really happens when you drink it every night. You're watching The Best Care, where we uncover natural solutions for a healthier life. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so you never miss out on wellness tips that really work. Turmeric is more than just a colorful spice in curry dishes. It's been used in traditional medicine for over 4,000 years. The secret lies in curcumin, its active compound. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-boosting properties. But here's the twist. When you drink it in warm water, especially at night, the effects can be even more powerful. Here's a simple recipe you can try tonight. 1 cup of warm water, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, and if you like, a pinch of black pepper to help absorb curcumin, or a teaspoon of honey for taste. Just stir it well, and drink it about 30 minutes before bed. So, what can this bedtime ritual actually do for your body? First, it promotes deep, restful sleep. Turmeric may help reduce anxiety and lower cortisol levels, preparing your body for better sleep. Second, it reduces inflammation overnight. If you suffer from joint pain, arthritis, or muscle soreness, turmeric works like a natural anti-inflammatory while you rest. Third, it boosts immunity. Curcumin enhances your immune response, helping your body fight off viruses and bacteria while you sleep. Fourth, it aids digestion and gut health. Drinking it after dinner can improve digestion, reduce bloating, and calm the digestive tract overnight. And fifth, it supports heart and brain health. Some studies show curcumin helps regulate cholesterol and may protect brain cells, a double win for long-term health. Before you start drinking turmeric water every night, a few things to consider. Avoid large doses. Half a teaspoon is enough per serving. If you're on blood thinners or have gallbladder issues, talk to your doctor first. And don't forget to include black pepper. It boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Adding warm turmeric water to your bedtime routine is one of the simplest and smartest habits for better sleep, reduced pain, and stronger immunity. It takes less than 5 minutes to make, and your body will thank you in the morning. Have you ever tried turmeric water at night? Let us know your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit.